some good tea.
Really sparkling. What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another drifting video. Got the Infinity loaded on the truck and trailer. Actually got Barry, who stayed here last night. He got the Infinity on his trailer. Yeah.
What up? What up?
Came out here, brought me the old knocking engine. If you guys remember.
Yeah, I was taking up. Oh shit.
When we went to his shop and swapped the engine out in the G. But yeah, I'm gonna get the engine put over here and then get his truck back on his trailer and we're gonna head out. Yeah.
To Milan. Oh, Milan. Milan. I got yelled at last time for saying Milan.
Alright, so I got the truck all loaded up. We got an extra set of wheels for me. These are Barry's wheels that he's using. Got the Infinity all loaded up. Yeah. So we got another new track today, Milan Speedway, or it's actually Milan Dragway, but they got a little concrete pad out there and they got a pretty good setup. So yeah, we're gonna head out to Milan and I'll see you guys when we get there. Yeah. We stopped at the gas station. I'm gonna run aside, get something to eat because we just woke up, get a little bit of gas, and then we're heading out. We made a pit stop. We got Joe, his Mustang back there. Where we stop at, Barry?
We stopped at McDonald's.
McDonald's.
A fine establishment.
Yeah.
And looky here. That's all for you, buddy.
Thank you. Just now pulling up. Yeah. Bears behind me. It's gonna be dope. Alright.
I need the driver to print and sign on this one.
So backstory on this track, it's actually a drag strip and I used to come here all the time when I was young because my family would drag race cars and there's new owners of the track now, so they poured like a concrete pad in the back area, so now they do drifting. So pretty cool that we can come here and drift now, so yeah. Just pulled up to the pit. Look at all these cars here already. Yeah. So now gotta unload the Infinity and then get ready, get teched in. Hey,
What up, Cody?
would it be a bad time to tell you I forgot my keys?
You're not even funny anymore, dude.
You ain't even funny no more
anymore,
to
bro.
this guy.
I already knew. I already know it. I know it.
I play too much.
Did you tell him?
About to unload the car from the trailer? Yeah. This is what.
Oh shit! Sorry.
This is what I love about G and Z chassis. Yeah.
Hey man,
you can roll the
BMW
windows up and down.
BMWs do it too. I just found that out.
Oh, I didn't know BMWs did it.
Yeah, I think it's I was gonna say I think it's a German car thing, but obviously this is Japanese. But yeah, I had a couple BMWs do it because I forgot what happened. The car was locked somehow or something. I couldn't get out, or I couldn't unlock the door, and I don't remember what the situation was. But I found that out on a BMW 5 Series, like a 05.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I thought I was really G. I thought we were special. I guess we're not special no more.
Yeah. No, dude, it's special. It's special.
Joe, we gonna do some tandems?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hype day.
Straight to tandems?
Straight to tandems?
Straight tandems.
Shit. Full set, no set.
full send or no send. Yeah. Alright, so got you guys on the helmet cam. Hopefully you guys can hear me good. This is the layout we're about to do.
Okay, what about two?
Yeah, it's about to be fun. Let's go out for our first lap. See how it goes. Check. Tire check. Oh, we look good. We look good.
Hey, come check mine out. These were
How's it
brand new 1 lap ago.
Woo! You're showing cords, bud.
Oh, am I?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay.
You got
one more lap,
more.
dude. One more lap.
Barry, you're missing a lug nut, dude.
I had to put it on the back for Wasso. You like that?
Crazy runs, dude.
Heck yeah, dude. I'm gonna switch my tires over now.
Yeah, I know. You're showing cords.
These last a long time, so as long as I don't hot lap it, I think they'll last. I went like 4 times in a row when I first got here, so I think that's what cooked my tires.
Oh, yeah.
I was just under the impression that it was concrete, and then after I was like, oh. After like 15 minutes here, I had like no tread left. I'm like, I only have 1 more set of tires, bro.
Dude, you're roasted.
Yeah.
Gotta check the catch can. Catch can keeps getting filled up on me, so yeah.
Threaded a lot. That's some good tea. File.
Well, now you know if you ever buy one of these, you
Yeah.
get the fucking drain.
Oh, absolutely.
stop. Gonna check out this food stand they got over here.
Oh, fresh squeezed lemonade.
What they got over here? They got deep fried Oreos. Yeah.
Hello.
What you thinking?
Some deep fried Oreos.
Yeah.
You said, why is it $8?
Is
it expensive?
It's expensive. Is it like this big? Like, or is it just like a little tiny one? You know
I don't know.
what I mean?
What'd you get?
We'll ask her when she gets back. I
What'd
got
you
chicken tenders, same as
Chicken
you.
tenders. Yeah, chicken tendies. Yeah.
Fingies.
Look at Lincoln.
Yeah, that just got a Bill RX-7. This is just for dog feeding car. That just got a Bill RX-7.
That's crazy. Look at what we got left here. Not bad, not bad. Got a Beamer. Hey, sparkling.
And did you want a drink?
Oh, he blew a tire up. All right, Barry. The people want it. They want to know what the chicken tenders here taste
the
like.
best chicken strip in the world?
Woo!
Barry's great, I swear to God. You make the whole team, Barry.
I give that like an 8 out of 10. I'm a fire.
8 out of 10? 11,
Yeah.
11 of 10.
11 out of 10.
11 of 10.
Chicken tenders. I love chicken tenders. I'm gonna end this video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. I know I enjoyed making it. So that's another new track marks off the list for this year. Infinity did awesome. Yeah. So if you can, please like this video, drop a comment down below, please subscribe, and then also share this video to anybody that you may know. It'll help me get it up to bigger audiences. And with that, until next time.